Hello guys, in third video we have already seen the picture of Elizabeth I, Elizabeth I. She was the queen of England, and as I told you, the rivalries with the other trading company, they have also fought the battle with them, and they have also fight for the goods and monopolistic between, because they were very much lured means lalach for the profit earning things and all the things, and small armies were required to protect all of them. So now up to this we have already completed, and now the next thing that we have to start, that why trade and conquest of Bengal by the East India Company. Firstly, the East India Company has set up in the side of south, because why they have set up in the south and nearby the Maharashtra, because south area is the land of spices in India. After that they have started doing a business with the Bengal side, Bengal, where the Calcutta, Bengal, and the first East India Company was set up on the nearby the river of Hooghly, and in the year 1651. Okay, please note down the name of a river and all the things. Okay, those time known as the factors operated their base and essential for the warehouse, and they have even prepared their warehouse where they have lived and all the things, and merchant will settle over there, and traders close vicinity, and that how by 1696 the company started, and make a fort, and after the settlement of all the things, and zamindar rights over 3 villages, and one was Calcutta, and which were larger grew into the city of Calcutta. Okay, the name is Calcutta, and after that it grew in the city of Calcutta, and where the Nawab of so many Nawab was there in that time in Bengal. So first Nawab of that time in 16th century, the name is Murshid Quli Khan. See the image. This is the image of Murshid Quli Khan. He was the Nawab of Bengal, and then after that, who was the Nawab? Alivardi Khan. Okay, please note down the name, guys. Murshid Quli Khan. The first was Murshid Quli Khan. The image that you have seen first, that is Murshid Quli Khan. I am writing it again for you guys. M for Murshid, Q for Quli, and K for Khan. So this is the picture of Murshid Quli Khan. And then the next Nawab of Bengal is Alivardi Khan. Okay, A for Ali and K for Khan. Okay, hope you understand this. And the next picture that you are seeing, that I will explain you afterwards, because there is no need. And after the Murshid Quli, Alivardi Khan was the Nawab, and after the Alivardi, who was the Nawab? Sirajud-Dowla. Okay, please go through the spelling properly, guys, because spelling is most important. Sirajud-Dowla. Okay, he was the Nawab of Bengal in 1757 AD. AD means Anno Domini. Okay, after that famous battle of Plassey we have to study. But before starting the battle of Plassey, why the battle took place, why it happened, why the battle happened that time, what is the reason behind this? So before explaining that, you just having one question in your mind, what is Plassey? Okay, what is Plassey? Plassey is a name of a place. Okay, Plassey is a name of a place that is situated in the Bengal, where nearby the river of Bhagirathi. Okay, nearby the river of Bhagirathi. Okay, hope you have seen in this. Just see, I am not wrong. Bhagirathi. Okay, this is situated near the river. Now, why Plassey name is there? Because where the place is there, where the Palash flowers are found. Okay, Palash, and maximum flower are Palash flower. So with the help of this name, the name of a place is exists as Plassey. Okay, and where the battle is took place, so that's why the name of a battle is known as Battle of Plassey. Okay, hope you understand why the name is Plassey. And now we are going to start why this battle took place, why this kind of situation occurred. Why? Because hope you remember, hope you know all, everyone know, guys. I know very well whatever I'm asking you. We know that if I am a king of some place, if I am a king of some place, so I am having the maximum power in my hand, and maybe the king of the Nawab of Bengal, all the Nawab of Bengal, like Murshid Quli Khan and Alivardi Khan and Sirajuddaulah, they were the most prominent and most powerful Nawab of their time. Okay, and they were very clever and smart too, and they know all the things in better way. Okay, so they are not ready, they all the Nawab are not ready to be work with the East India Company as a puppet Nawab. Okay, because East India Company want whatever the guidelines of their side, all the Nawab have to follow. Okay, if they are not ready to pay the taxes for purchasing the things from here, for buying the things from here, Nawab was not ready. Nawab, on not a Murshid Quli Khan ready, and even Alivardi Khan also refused this thing, and even Sirajuddaulah also not ready, because all are very clever and smart and intelligent and having a maximum number of army with them and strong army with them. So they were not ready to do this. Okay, and even what happened? Misuse in 1770, the royal farman that is sent by Farooq Shah to the East India Company. Okay, the farman means a letter in which everything is mentioned, what particular things have to followed by the East India Company, but they have refused, they have not followed, they have objected ki we will not practice all these things, this is not for us, and we are not paying they even not ready to pay that much of taxes to India. Okay, Nawab, they even not ready. Nawab of Bengal. And fortification of Calcutta means, fortification of Calcutta means they want to make a Fort William in Kolkata, that is previously known as Calcutta. Okay, the Fort William is built up there. So they have not took the permission, they have not taken the permission from the Nawab. So this is not the way, this is not the way to do the work, because if the city is in under the control of Nawab, so they have to take permission before making all these things. And then after that, this is the second point, and the third point is disrespecting of Nawab. Means they were not respecting the Nawab, they were not respecting their work and the way of doing, and even they say some they do miscommunication, they even talked in a very harsh way, and all the things happened. So what happened on that time, what Sirajuddaulah decided, because after the death of Murshid Quli Khan, who was the Nawab? Alivardi Khan. And after the death of Alivardi Khan, whosoever took over the dynasty from the Bengal side, so Sirajuddaulah have took over the place. So what Sirajuddaulah have decided? Sirajuddaulah negotiate all the things and even go to the warehouse with the army, with the soldier, with the team of Sirajuddaulah, and attacked on the warehouse of East India Company. So East India Company, so many soldiers have died during that time. So this particular scene and this particular scenario have increased the situation of war, have increased the situation of battle. So after this, the battle of Plassey took place. After this, all the scenario, the battle of Plassey took place, that I will share you in the next video what is battle of Plassey exactly. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.